In this video, I am going to build a Amazon product price tracker. At Hackerspace, we have a detailed article on it, which contains a step-by-step guide to how to do it. The idea here is to build a website, a scraper. So what we will do is we will scrap the product page of Amazon, and then we will look for the price of the product and we will keep track of it. So this is the product page for which I want to track the price. And so the very first thing what we need to do is to install all the required packages to do our web scraping. So let's install all of them. So the first one is BS4. Okay, so since it is already installed on my system, it says requirement already satisfied, but on your system it will take some time and install the package. Okay, and the next one we need is requests. So I will install that as well. Okay, again it is already installed on my system, so it says requirement already satisfied. Okay, so now that we are done with installation of packages, we can start writing the code for scrapping the product page. So I will call this tracker, and let's get the script. Don't worry about this code, I will explain each and every line of it. So let me explain what we are doing over here. So requests is the package which allows us to establish the HTTP requests, and BS4 and Beautiful Soup is the package which allows us to interact with HTML document and find out any div or any class or anything like that. So, and time, we are using time for um, setting up the schedule after how much time we want to track the price. So we have created a function called Amazon handler, and in the beginning of the function we are printing the time, the time at which we are going to track the price. And this is the URL, which is the URL of the product. This is this URL. So that is the URL, and requests will fetch the URL, and then we will get the content from the URL which has been fetched. And HTML5 is the this is the library which allows us to parse all the HTML data from the page which we got after our request. So this is just a friendly message that we are trying to fetch the price, and you can see this as ID is available on the HTML content in which the price comes. So here we are parsing all the value which is available in that ID, and then what we are doing is we are just removing the first element from the price, because it will come like this. Okay, it will bring this character, so this will break our code. So we are just getting rid of it by slicing that, and then we are removing that comma from here which comes from this. Okay, so after getting rid of that, we get the price in integer, and then we will print that current price is this. Now the thing is, we are automating this entire thing using this infinite while loop. This loop will continue after every 60 seconds. If you want to, I mean, track the price after 10 minutes or 1 hour, so you can pass that value over here. Like if you want to track the price after 1 hour, so what you can do is pass 3600 seconds, so it will track the price after every 1 hour, and depending upon that, it will print the price along with the time. So that is the code to track the price, and I will save it and let us run it. Okay, so it is connecting. Okay, so it fetched the price. It will again fetch after, I mean, 1 minute. Let me check the value. Okay, I set it to 1 hour. We will have to wait for 1 hour to check it again. For the sake of this video, I will just set it to 60 seconds. So it will fetch after every 1 minute. So let me try to run it again. So it is okay. It fetched the price and it will fetch after 1 minute. So let's wait for 1 minute and let us see how it is working. While we are waiting, let me tell you, if you want to store this price somewhere in your Excel sheet or any file, you can also do that just by modifying the Amazon handler function. So that we can also do. Okay, the time was 6 p.m. 56 minutes. It will fetch at 6 p.m. 57 minutes. Okay, it is fetching. Okay, so it fetched again. It will fetch again after 1 minute. I will just stop the program. You get the idea how we are tracking the price. So that was it for this video. I will put the link to this article in the description of this video. So thanks.